The GMC Sierra grabs attention the moment the engine comes to life, delivering power that feels confident, smooth, and ready for anything. Engine options across the lineup are tuned for real-world strength, offering a wide range of horsepower that supports quick acceleration, heavy towing, and relaxed highway cruising. Whether powered by a responsive gasoline engine or a torque-focused option built for hauling, the Sierra delivers power in a refined way. Throttle response feels controlled. The transmission shifts smoothly, and the engine's sound stays calm and composed even under load. This balance of strength and refinement is what immediately pulls viewers in and keeps drivers loyal. The exterior design of the Sierra is bold yet clean, with a strong grille, sculpted hood, and a wide stance that gives it a premium but tough presence. The body is built using high-strength materials designed to resist while maintaining structural rigidity. Panels feel solid, doors close with authority, and the truck gives off a sense of durability from every angle. The bed is practical and well-designed, offering durable surfaces, smart corner steps, and multiple tie-down points that make loading and unloading easier. It's a truck that looks ready for work, but polished enough for daily driving. Color choices add to its appeal. The Sierra is offered in classic tones like black, white, and gray, along with richer metallic finishes such as deep blue, red, silver, and earth-inspired shades. These colors enhance the truck's bold styling and hold up well under sunlight and harsh weather. Whether someone prefers a professional look or something more eye-catching, the color range allows the Sierra to match different personalities and lifestyles. Inside, the Sierra feels comfortable, spacious, and thoughtfully designed. The seats provide strong support for long drives, with materials that feel durable yet soft to the touch. Higher trims introduce premium textures, but even the standard cabin feels well-built and practical. The dashboard layout is clean, controls are intuitive, and important functions are easy to reach. Storage is generous, with deep door pockets, center consoles, and rear seat space that make it easy to carry tools, gear, or family essentials. Technology in the Sierra focuses on usability rather than complexity. The central display is clear and responsive, allowing easy access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Digital driver displays provide important information like speed, fuel use, and towing data without clutter. Smartphone connectivity is smooth, and voice commands reduce distraction while driving. Everything feels designed to help the driver stay focused and in control. The tires and suspension play a big role in the Sierra's driving comfort. Tire options are designed to balance grip, durability, and quiet performance. On the highway, the ride feels stable and smooth, while rough roads and uneven terrain are handled confidently. The suspension absorbs bumps well, keeping passengers comfortable even when the truck is unloaded. When carrying weight or towing, the Sierra stays composed and predictable, which adds to driver confidence. Fuel efficiency is competitive for a full-size truck. Lighter engine options offer respectable mileage for daily use, while more powerful setups focus on strength without unnecessary fuel waste. Highway driving is efficient, and city mileage remains reasonable considering the size and capability of the truck. Smart engine management systems help optimize fuel delivery, making the Sierra practical for both work and commuting. Lighting is another area where the Sierra stands out. The headlights provide strong, focused illumination that improves visibility at night and during poor weather conditions. Daytime running lights enhance road presence and safety, while rear lights are bright and clearly visible to surrounding traffic. Interior lighting is soft and evenly spread, making nighttime driving more comfortable and reducing eye strain. Safety and control are built into the Sierra's foundation. Steering feels precise for a truck of this size. Braking is strong and consistent, and the overall balance inspires confidence at higher speeds. Driver assist features support awareness on the road, especially during long trips or in busy traffic. The solid frame and intelligent design contribute to a feeling of security for both driver and passengers. Overall, the GMC Sierra succeeds by blending toughness with refinement. It offers strong engines, a well-built body, comfortable interiors, and modern technology without losing its truck identity. Whether used for hard work, family duties, or long highway drives, the Sierra adapts easily. This balance of capability, comfort, and style is why it remains a strong competitor and a top choice among full-size pickup trucks heading into the future.